How to make duet on TikTok videos. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Then you have to open the TikTok app in your phone. And now you can see the app is appear in front of you. Now we are going to make a duet of any of the video. If you want to make my duet on this video, just I have to click on it and click on this arrow mark. You have to click on it, and in this way you can see different options will appear in front of you. You have to select on the duet option in this way. Click on the duet option. The duet option is loading on your device because of the slow internet connection. Now you will make a duet of this video. I am trying it again by clicking on the duet option. There is an error of network, that's why the duet is appearing and taking time. I want, if I am going to select any of the video which is this, and I want to make a duet of this video, click on the three dots. The same method is here and the video is processing video. You have to wait for a while, and you can see the duet will appear here at the right or left, which you want to select. If you want to make your video on the right side and left side, it's your choice. Click on it and you have to start to make a duet on that video. Pause this video, click on this check mark, and you can see your duet video will be saved in your account like this. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you can see your duet video is prepared. In this way you have to click on the next option, and you can see followers can view this post. If you want to select only you, then you have to post this video only for you. If you want to make it visible to your followers, then you can, and if you want to make it draft, then video will be draft in your account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.